Hi, this is Jesse from CS Spy, and today I'm going to show you how to get Counter-Strike sounds, add them to the soundboard in Discord, and where to get them. So, first thing we want to do is pick the server that we're going to be on. So I'll pick my own server here for CS Spy. We've got 2,000 members. We're going to click up the top here, go down to server settings. Now if you don't see server settings, you won't have permissions to add or edit soundboard sounds on the server, but you can still play them. Once we're here, we want to go to Soundboard, and here is the screen that you'll see if you don't have any sounds. So we're going to upload a sound. We're going to pick a file in our system. Now if you don't have a file, don't worry. On my website, where there's a link in the description and probably the pinned comment, it'll take you to a website which I'll show you after this, where you can download sounds from Counter-Strike Global Offensive from my own server. So you don't have to worry about, getting them from a sketchy place. You're literally getting them from me. So I'm going to click Browse here. I'm going to go where I've downloaded them, and I'm just going to pick maybe the headshot dink sound. So here we can preview what it sounds like, and if you guys could hear that, I hope you could. You heard the dink from a headshot sound in Counter-Strike Global Offensive. We can move these around to crop the sound, so if it's too long, you can only have 5 seconds maximum in this. If it's too long, then it's only going to play 5 seconds, and we can move this around to make sure those 5 seconds are the 5 seconds we want to play. It's got the name here of the file, of course. We can name it whatever we want, so I'm going to name it Dink, and then we can add an icon for it. So maybe a little pleading face there. And we can also adjust the volume, which is very important if you want to trick people, because you don't want playing at full volume if you want to trick them and pretend, that they've been hit in the head when they really haven't, because they're not going to be hearing it as loud as it is in Discord. They're going to be hearing whatever the volume is in their game, so you want to make it much more quieter. Just a helpful tip there. So click upload, it's going to upload a file, and there we go. So now I get out of this, I'm going to go to one of the voice channels here. We'll just go to public. Now to play it, you need to click on the voice channel, and then down the bottom here on the left hand side, once you hover over the black screen, hidden is the sound icon, and here we can see sounds from Discords that I'm part of, as well as the default soundboard. So we've got 6 ones here, pretty lame, but they're there to try out. And then we've got the dink here, and as you can see very loudly, there's that dink. Well, I hope you guys found this useful. Like I said, here's the website. The actual link's going to be in the comments, pinned, or in the description, and it's going to take you to my website here. And if you scroll down a little bit, right here we've got 11 sounds already. I'll add more to it if more people want, but that's 11 soundboard audio clips that you can just add just like that to your Discord server. So easy. Anyways guys, remember to subscribe for more useful tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.